welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Grace, and in today's video we are going to do another makeup look, and this is the one that I'm wearing right now. There you go. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. First, I'm going to prime my face using the Ordinary Fluid Primer. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to prime my face. Okay, next for foundation, I will be using this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I am in a shade number 06 Sun Beige. I'm just going to blend it using my LA Girl sponge. This is one of my favorite foundation, guys, from the drugstore. I really like the finish of this foundation, and also the coverage is really good as well. Okay, next for my concealer, guys, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in a shade number 20. So I'm just going to apply this on the center of my face. I'm also going to apply this on my eyelid, guys, to prime my eyes, because I'm not gonna use eyeshadow primer. Next, I'm going to set the concealer using this Airspun Loose Face Powder, and this is in a shade Translucent Extra Coverage. This is what it looks like. This powder has a really strong smell. I really don't like the smell of it. And then for the rest of my face, I will be using this Wet n Wild Photofocus Pressed Powder. And this is in a shade Golden Tan. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows now, but I'm going to do it off camera, and I'll be back. Hi guys, I am back and I'm done with my eyebrows. The product that I use for my eyebrows is this one. This is the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, and I pick up the shade medium brown. And now I'm going to set my eyebrow using a brow mascara. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and this is in a shade Brunette. There you go. Next, we are going to put some eyeshadows. I will be using this Revolution Flawless 4 palette. So this is what it looks like. And when you open it up, oh, I still have plastic. This is what the palette looks like. I haven't actually used this palette, so this is the first time I'm going to use this. So let's put some eyeshadows. Okay, so first I'm going to warm up my crease using this shade. Okay, then next I'm going to take this shade and just apply it on top of my transition shade. And the next, I'm going to take this shade. This is like purple shimmery eyeshadow. And just apply it on my eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to use my Mario Badescu facial spray again to spray the brush. The Mario Badescu facial spray really works, guys, because this eyeshadow palette or this shade is not very pigmented. Now that I spray the Mario Badescu on my brush, it works. This shade is actually really good, really nice. I like this shade, guys. It's really nice color. Okay, so next I'm going to do my lower lash line. So I will be using this shade here and just smudge it on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to use this shade and apply it on top of the first color. Next, I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my inner corner. And also on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to use this NYX, this is actually a lip liner, but I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. And so this is in a shade Nutmeg. Alright, next I'm going to apply gel liner. I will be using this Maybelline iStudio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. This is a black gel liner. So I'm just going to create a wing. There you go, guys. Next, I'm going to apply my false lashes and I'll be back. Hi guys, I am back. So I already put my false lashes. So next, let's put some contour. So for that, I will be using this CYO bronzing powder. This is in a shade medium. So this is what it looks like. And inside, I haven't actually used this. So this is the first time I'm going to try this contour powder. So hopefully this is my shade. There you go. Next, for the blush, I will be using the same CYO powder blush, and this is in the shade Controversial. So this is what it looks like. There you go. It's very bright. Ooh. Wow, this is very bright. Oh my god. Okay, so next I'm going to apply this highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in a shade Molten Gold. There we go. This is what it looks like. Alright, so I forgot to put mascara on my lower lashes, so let's do it now. I will be using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. There we go, and finally we are down to the lips. The liquid lipstick that I'm going to use today is this one. This is from Morphe, and this is the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Phatty. guys for today. I hope you like this makeup look and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And all the products that I use, guys, will be in the description box below. Please go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!